Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious French toast. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 slices of thick-cut bread, like brioche or challah, which holds up well. Also, prepare 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and a dash of cinnamon or vanilla extract for flavor. Don't forget butter or cooking spray for cooking. Now, let's prepare our flavorful batter. In a shallow dish, whisk together the 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and your chosen spices like cinnamon or a splash of vanilla extract. Make sure to whisk until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. Using a shallow dish is key, as it allows for easy and even dipping of your bread slices. With your batter ready, it's time to dip and cook. Gently place each slice of bread into the batter, allowing it to soak for just a few seconds on each side. You don't want it soggy. Then, transfer the dipped bread to a preheated, buttered griddle or pan over medium heat. Cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown. Your delicious French toast is now ready to be served. For the best experience, serve it warm right off the griddle. Classic toppings include a generous drizzle of maple syrup, a sprinkle of powdered sugar, or a handful of fresh berries. For an extra treat, consider adding a dollop of whipped cream or a side of fruit compote. Enjoy your homemade breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.